Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can hide the taskbar on your Windows. So if you want to simply hide the taskbar because you want a bigger space for your desktop, then you can simply do that. There's no problem for that. Click on the Windows key on your keyboard, then you have to click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for personalization, the one with the paintbrush symbol that's under network and internet. And then scroll down and you will find taskbar, taskbar behavior system pins, click on that. And here you will find taskbar behaviors, taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. Click on this drop down arrow and here you will find the option automatically hide the taskbar. Check this. Now, once you check that, then you have just hidden the taskbar of your Windows, so you have enough space on your desktop. And as you can see, the taskbar is not there or it has disappeared. Now, if in some cases that you want to enable again the taskbar or you want to unhide the taskbar, then how can you do that? Press the Windows key on your keyboard and then click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look again for personalization. That's under network and internet. Scroll down and you will find taskbar. The same thing, click on taskbar behaviors, taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. And here we just need to simply uncheck automatically hide the taskbar. And that's it. Our taskbar is back. So, I hope this video helped you on how you can hide the taskbar of your Windows. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.